Hey friends, if you wish to enable God mode on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. But first of all, what is God mode? So if you try to open the control panel and search for the setting, it is very difficult. You may not even find it at the first place because it's very complex here. You'll have to try figuring it out, or you'll have to check an article on the internet to find it. But what about the most common settings? So that's where you can use God mode. Copy this path. Now I'll share it in the description section of this video, and then go to the desktop, right click in the open space, select new folder. First create the folder, right click on it, and then create this path. Now paste it here and click anywhere outside, and you'll notice that the icon has changed. When you double click on it, then you'll notice that all of the popular, the much needed options in device manager are here. For example, if you wish to add a device, you can click on this one, change default printer, click on this one, open the device manager from this icon, and this is a very helpful tool. While creating the God mode, a lot of users face a problem that when I'll show you, right click on this and paste it here, and let's say we have a few spaces here, and then click hit enter. They will get an error that these characters are not allowed, and in that case simply remove the spaces from both the sides and then try again. This is a very useful tool, and I very seriously recommend this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.